This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shannon Lenz. Welcome to your Wynn private oasis. This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath home is the perfect place to relax and unwind. The beautiful tile floors in all rooms except for wood floors in bedrooms and living room give a touch of luxury and make cleaning a breeze. The kitchen comes with appliances and has a great layout, making cooking and entertaining easy. Adjacent to the kitchen is a spacious dining room which opens up into your very own Florida room, an ideal spot for taking in some sun or hosting friends. From the Florida room, you can access the large living room which features a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The master suite boasts dual sinks and an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower as well as its own walk-in closet. Plus, off of the garage is an additional den that makes for a great home office, or third bedroom option should you need it. For those who love spending time outdoors, there's even more to love about this home. Step out onto your brick paver lanai surrounded by 6-foot privacy fencing in your backyard so you can enjoy complete peace of mind while soaking up some sun or enjoying al fresco meals with family and friends. For more information,